Hi friends, again we are discussing about additions with mind. Here some caterpillars are there. In first caterpillar two numbers are there. First one is 1, second one is also 1. Here the two numbers are same. First we have to keep 1 in mind and open one finger. 1 after 2. Write 2 here. Next, in second caterpillar, first number is 3, second number is 2. In these two numbers, 3 is bigger than 2. That's why we have to keep 3 in mind. Bigger number is always keep in mind, friends. Smaller number, open fingers. 3 in mind, open 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Write 5 here. Here, in this caterpillar, first number is 1, second number is 5. First number is 5, second number is 1. You have to add these two here. In these two numbers, 5 is bigger than 1. That's why you have to keep 5 in mind and 1 open finger. 5 after 6. Write 6 here. In this caterpillar, one number is 5 and another number is 2. The bigger number is 5, smaller number is 2. You have to keep bigger number, that is 5, in mind and 2 open fingers. 5 after 6, 7. Write 7 here. 4 plus 2. Here 4 is bigger than 2. You have to keep 4 in mind, 2 open fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 7 plus 3. 7 is bigger than 3. You have to keep 7 in mind, 3 open fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Write 10 here. Here 1 and 9 are there. 9 is bigger than 1. You have to keep 9 in mind and 1 open finger. 9 after 10. 10 right here. These are the numbers with using mind. Okay friends, మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే please do subscribe, like and share friends. Thank you so much.